The world is a pretty big place when what you're looking for fits under a microscope. For today's major biotech companies, helping people to fight disease often starts by finding unique organic compositions hidden anywhere from the rainforests to the deserts. Incredible effort has gone into looking for them on practically every corner of every continent. But the fact is, most life on Earth is not on land, but rather underwater. Just over 35 years ago, one company decided it was time to look for answers under the sea. That is how Pharmamar was born. And that is how it came to be the first company in the world to develop and commercialize an anti-cancer drug of marine origin. Over time, we have gathered and analyzed the largest collection of marine samples in the world by far. This is what we do, and this is what makes us unique. Today, Pharmamar is a global company with affiliates and subsidiaries across Europe and the US. And as the need for our products grows, so does our commitment to stakeholders in every country. All born from a single sustaining passion, bettering the lives of people with serious diseases. The secret is our unique, integrated system, which allows us to control the process from discovery to medicinal development and on through to the marketplace. How is it done? First, we gather samples of marine organisms to study their biological activity in tumour cells. Then we isolate the substance within the sample responsible for the activity. We test its activity against tumour cells and determine its structure so as to design a chemical synthesis process. Approval by the relevant healthcare authorities is sought after the compound has demonstrated its safety and efficacy. As a result of this research process, we have a portfolio of candidates at various stages of clinical development, allowing us to firmly maintain our position as the world leader in marine medicinal discovery, development, and innovation. And to stay strong, we know how important it is to continue to invest in the future. That is why our R&D contribution is one of the highest in Europe. And that is why we're constantly looking for new ways to apply our vast knowledge of marine resources to achieve innovative therapies for diseases which today are still medically underserved, in oncology and beyond. But global leadership is not only about numbers, it's about understanding the challenges of our time. And there is no greater challenge than protecting the biodiversity of our planet. That is why we collect our samples by hand, so as to have minimal impact on the environment, using highly specialized divers. We work together with universities around the world to increase our understanding of the marine ecosystem and to protect our oceans' biodiversity. And we are proud to have discovered and described never-before-seen species in our expeditions. Rigorous scientific research, respect for the planet, and commitment to our stakeholders has transformed us into a global company with the potential for growth far into the future. But above all, into a company with a purpose. Something that can only come from the belief that what we do, every one of us, has a real impact on the lives of thousands of people with unmet medical needs. There is a word for that. It is called hope. This is the remarkable journey born from one man's vision of the extraordinary possibilities lying beneath the sea, and of the will to go there. Pharmamar, inspired by the sea, driven by science, motivated by people.